Hey everybody, the Wayfaring Barfly. I'm at White Dog Pub in Wayne, Nebraska. We're going to take a look inside. This has a feature that I really like about most bars. So, I didn't get a whole lot of history, but judging by those bricks, it's been around a while. And I couldn't say for sure because the front could be totally redone. It doesn't look like it was a bar from the start, but who knows? I don't have enough information about that, but it's a cool little place inside. Friendly people as usual. So let's go take a look at the White Dog Pub. Take a look at some decor here, see what we have. Got that. That's big. One of the local clientele made this table for them, and made these shelf bar ledges. I've only seen this like once or twice on this trip. Yeah, interesting. You're welcome. So I was a little unsure about this, but I saw some people coming in the back, so I thought, well, let's go take a look at the back. Oh, look at this. So yeah. So here in Wayne, there's Wayne State College. So looks like a nice little campus as I drove by. But I do like a bar with a patio. Sorry about the noise. The trash collector's coming through. It's kind of what I do whenever every chance I get. So yeah, it's a nice patio. Yep. Okay, it says sometimes they have music in here. They like to have originals.
So it was good because their ball. And so anyway, long story short, I had
Now, if you go at the court in Columbus, Indiana, on Two Mile House Road, you'll see some of these old Budweiser things that they have in there. Those are pretty cool. Now here used to be a stripper pole, And I'm not sure where it connected up there, but I guess the women were complaining about that being here, so they eventually took it out. And now they can't put it back because the laws have changed. Kind of like Crazy Fox Saloon in Bucyrus. They have the stripper pole in there, but it was grandfathered in. So this has been the White Dog Pub in Wayne, Nebraska. It's the Wayfaring Barfly, and I will talk to you all later.